Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss some 4 interesting tips of Primavera P6. First one is how to increase the size of icons in Primavera P6. If you find that the menu bar and command icons are of less visibility, there is a way to increase the size of icons in Primavera P6. Let us see how to do this in this tutorial now. Go to the menu bar and under View tab, select Toolbars and click on this Customize. Now a window gets popped up like this. Go to Options tab and tick the checkbox Large Icons. Okay, now click on Close and you can see that all your icons now getting increased in size. Okay friends, got it? Now let's get into the second tip. How to animate your menu bars in Primavera P6. You know that we have got the option to animate menu bars in Primavera P6. There are basically 4 animation options in Primavera P6. These are Random, Unfold, Slide and Fade, and in addition there is an option None. You can try any of these if you want a new feel in Primavera. Follow these steps to animate menu bars. First, click on View tab, go to Toolbars, select Customize again. Now a window will pop up like this. Go to the Options tab and right at here at the bottom you can see the menu animations. Check on this drop down button and select any of these options as per your wish. Let me select Random now and click on Close button. Now let's test it. Click on any of the menu bars like File or Edit or any other tab. You can see the animations running up like this. You're observing, right? This gives a new feel to your Primavera P6 so that you can play around. Got it friends? Now let's quickly go into the third trick. If your menu bar and icons got disturbed and their positions got changed, or your toolbars got messed up completely like this as shown here, you need to watch this video tutorial to know how to fix messed up toolbar in Primavera P6. Go to the View tab from the menu bar and you can find this option called Reset All Toolbars. Click on this. Now you will get a window popping up like this. Now click on Yes, and then you can see toolbar getting into its original position as it is. You know, we can lock your toolbar icons in Primavera P6 as well to avoid the messing up in future. To do that, go to View tab and click on this Lock All Toolbars feature. Okay, doing this you can lock your toolbar icons permanently. Got it friends? Now let's get into fourth trick. How to stack multiple windows in one screen in Primavera P6. If you would like to see multiple windows in one screen, if you got a big screen, we have got this option in Primavera P6. We have got 3 options of stacking windows in Primavera P6. They are New Horizontal Tab Group for horizontal stacking of windows, New Vertical Tab Group for vertical stacking of windows, and the third option is Merge All Tab Together. That is the default option. Now let us see how to do this in Primavera. First, open a project. I'm opening a sample small project like this and click on the WPS by going to the project window and click on WPS. WPS gets opened up. Now we have project, WPS and activities tabs like 3. Okay. Now click on activity tab and then go to the View tab from the menu bar and select tab groups. This will be at the bottom of the View tab. After clicking the tab groups, click on the new vertical tab group, for example. So this will be stacked vertically like this. So whichever tab you click, the tab will be stacked vertically. If you would like to go back to the default option, I'm going back to the View tab and go to the tab groups and select the option Merge All Tab Group. So it will going back to the default option like this. Got it, friends? So these are the basic 4 tips that I would like to explain in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. If yes, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.